Let's learn how to make this delicious chicken bread. Add 400 grams of flour into a bowl. 1 tablespoon yeast. Add 1/3 tablespoon sugar. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Now mix it. Pour some water onto the flour and make a dough. When it's done, add some oil. Now mix it. Now leave it for half hour. Add some oil into your fry pan. Add half a kilogram boneless chicken. We've already cut that into smaller pieces. Cook it well. Add 1 tablespoon tikka masala. Add 1/2 tablespoon crushed chili. Add 1/2 tablespoon ginger powder. Add 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder. Now add 1/2 tablespoon salt. Cook it for some minutes. Add 2 tablespoons cumin powder. Add 1 green capsicum, tomato and half onion. We'll put the tomato at the end. Now add that tomato. Now mix it and it's all done. Now take out your dough and make round balls, pura. Now make this tortilla roti. some cheese to your chicken and don't cook it. Now it's time to add that filling into our bread. Follow every process. Make sure to share our video and subscribe. Now brush some egg yolk onto this bread. You can now decorate this as you like. We're adding capsicum and sesame seeds. Make sure to preheat your oven at 150 for 10 minutes. Now cook it. Here you have the most delicious chicken bread. Enjoy eating!